UC Davis presents 1 Minute Wine. Zinfindel. Zinfindel is a red-skinned grape, used in many different wine styles. It appeared in California in 1850 of mysterious origins. Since then it has been planted in every region of California. It is the California wine grape and is about 10% of the wine grape crop. Zinfindel has a light fruitiness that goes well with food, and spicy aromas of briar and pepper. The many styles of Zinfindel include a light style great for dining, a popular high alcohol style with intense fruitiness, a slightly sweet blush wine, and a number of different sweet dessert wines. Zinfindel pairs well with lean meats. It is great with pasta or pizza, and good with barbecue or hearty fish dishes. Zinfindel came from the Adriatic region, where 150 years ago it was the most popular wine grape, called Tribedrag. Most has been lost to disease, but some is still grown in Italy where it is called Primitivo. Thank you for listening.